Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here tap to the connection and sharing. Now just scroll a little bit down and here you'll see the NFC section. At the moment the NFC on our device is activated, and if you want to just turn it off, just tap here once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to turn on again the NFC option, just tap here on the switcher and that's all blue, and so that's mean that you just activated your NFC. And also we got the second way. Here just go to your notification panel and right there you'll see the NFC item. Just to activate the NFC, tap here once on the item and that's it. And if you wanna just turn it off, tap here again on the item, and so that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.